Will you help me be a sound detective? Great! Today I'm looking for middle sounds, the sound in the middle of a word. So I have some letter sounds here. Do you recognize any of these? You do? Which ones? Yeah, I have I, and a. Let's see if we can find some objects that match those middle sounds. What's this? It's a web. What sound do you hear in the middle of the word web? Web, web, web. The sound. So we'll put it over here with the Let's try another one. Ooh, what's this? A box. What sound is in the middle of the word box? Box. Ah. We'll put it over here with the sound. What's this? This is a pin. Yeah, it's a pin. What sound is in the middle of the word pin? Pin, pin, pin. Yeah, the I sound. So we'll put it with the I. And we have one more. Let's see. Ooh, what's this? It's a bat. Where does the bat go? What is the middle sound of the word bat? Bat. It's a, so we'll put it with the a. Let's try some more. I have some different letter sounds. Do you recognize any of these? Which ones do you know? That's great. We have a, and a. Let's see if we can find some objects that go with these letter sounds. What's this? Yeah, it's a dog. Dog. What's the middle sound of the word dog? Dog. Dog. In the middle there's the sound. So we'll put it with the Let's try another one. What's this? It's a nut. A nut. Where does the nut go? We're looking for the middle sound. What's in the middle of the word nut? Nut. Nut. The sound. So we'll put it with the Let's see what other objects we have. Oh, what's this? It's a map. I wonder if it will lead to some treasure. What sound do you hear in the middle of the word map? Map. Map. The sound. So we'll put the map with the a. And there's one more. Let's see if we can find an object for this letter sound. What's this? Oh, it's a number. This is 10. 10. What sound do you hear in the middle of the word 10? 10. 10. That's right. So we'll put the 10 with the sound. Thanks so much for helping me be a sound detective today. I hope you try this game at home. I'll see you soon. Bye.